Okay, here is a challenge that I want you to try. I've been following this yoga girl on YouTube, Lift, Flow, Grow, and all her moves are like super hard, and I love a challenge. So anyway, I'm going to give her a shout out, and then I'm going to try one thing that I really want to get right. It's important to me. So, and it goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna stand up tall, grab your left foot or your right, either side you want to start on. Focus. And hold it here. Nice deep breath. And then you're gonna squat low. You can have your hands to heart or on your hips. I think she had hers right here, I'm not sure. This is a good challenge. Okay, squat low. If you can do a pistol squat, you got this mastered. Okay, I have the blocks here because my arms are super short. So she came down and up on her heel. The whole time, her hands were to her heart. And I don't know how she did that, ultra strong. So here's another thing she did with this pose. Remove the blocks. And she inchworm down, I think. Oh no, I know what she did now. Okay, so we'll do this. And then push up. And then hop the leg in and step back to a down dog. And you can lift your foot up in the air, keep it like this, and she's like this the whole time. And then you hop forward and come up nice and slow. And that's what she did. You wanna go check it out? See if I can get the bird of paradise. I don't know, it's hard, it's challenging. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna step forward with my left leg, left foot forward, right leg back. I'm gonna reach through with my left hand and grab my right hand, and I'm gonna bind. Walk your foot in, and then you're just gonna try and bring yourself up to a standing position. And if you're ready, you can straighten that leg like that. Okay, I did it. Yes! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, I did it, and I did it on film. Yay, I did it on camera. Oh my gosh, okay, calm down, Debbie. It's good, it's all good. Okay, deep breath. Oh my gosh, I did it, y'all. Now, show me what you can do. Show me what you've mastered. You seen the struggle? You seen the struggle. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching. I'm such a dork. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.